Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I am going to share my design team package with you guys. And I did not order any paper because I ordered from their flash sale that they had earlier this month. So I have plenty of paper right now. I am going to share what I did get. So I did get this rice paper. Guys, you know, I love the red truck. I have an idea, and I know I say that a lot, but I have an idea of what I may do with this. So I have all the materials I need, and we will see if it turns out the way I envision it. But isn't this gorgeous? Oh, that beautiful truck. So I ordered that one. And I got, of course, my trusty pen, and in that just a beautiful blue. So I also ordered this rice paper, and I'm going to use this in conjunction with one of the dies that I got this month. So we will see if it's going to work out good or not. But isn't that pretty? Oh, that's beautiful. So another thing that I got was rose gold embossing enamel. So I only have maybe a couple of colors, embossing colors, but I thought this was so pretty. So we will emboss with this one and see how beautiful that looks. I'm sure it's gorgeous. But let me open this up. Got a little shine or sheen to it. It's so pretty. It's pretty. Can't wait to use that. So I got that. And then I got another finger blade. So I got a new finger blade, which is much needed. And then I got 1/2-inch score tape. And I don't have the 1/2-inch score tape. So I'm going to be using it with one of the projects this month, and I need a 1/2-inch. So I got a package of 1/2-inch score tape, and I got the Heartfelt Creations Festive Snow Globe. Oh man, I can't wait to make something with this. I'm thinking a shaker, but we will see. And it's a good size, guys. I don't know if any of you have this, but it is 4.5 by 5.25, and it comes with quite a few pieces. So yeah, I can't wait to play with that one. I'll have to show you what it looks like cut out and assembled. And then I got this Treasured Heart gift box. Now this one has instructions, so it isn't just cut and paste. There's some embossing in there, and I don't know. I mean, look at those instructions. So we will see. But I think these are just tips, and I think they're for different machines. So this one would be my instructions. So cut and emboss, it looks like. So I'm going to cut this out. Now, the rice paper that I got, so this flower paper that I got, I thought I would use it as this middle pink part with some acetate in there, so it's kind of see-through. I don't know. We'll see what it turns out to look like in the end, but I think it'll look really pretty inserted right there. That's why I got this one. So hopefully it's gonna work out. I mean, I know I have enough, but hopefully the patterns, once I cut it, match to go around the box. Yeah, so that is my haul, guys, for this month. I know it's short and sweet, but like I said, I had plenty of paper. So I don't want to order what I'm not going to use. So that was my haul for this month. Let's hope that my box is going to turn out good. I'm so excited to give that a try. All right, guys, thank you so much. I know it was short, it was sweet, but I encourage you to go. They have tons and tons of rice paper. I mean, there's so much that we can do with that rice paper. But you know I've said this before and I'll say it again. Rice paper intimidates me because I don't want to ruin it. But one day, I mean, here in the very near future, because I really want to make this box, I'm just going to have to, play around with it. And I have another sheet of rice paper that if I mess this one up, I can use another one. But I really want to use this one and have it turn out good. All right, guys, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. I would love it if you go visit ASC Craft Supplies and use my coupon code to save 10% on non-sale items. Let me remind you, when you are shopping with ASC and you are buying non-sale items, then use the coupon code. But if you are buying things that are on sale, go ahead and make 2 different baskets, sale items, non-sale items. And then once you place both orders, if both orders combined reach $75, they will refund you the shipping. If it doesn't, they will combine both orders and they will refund you any shipping that is due. That way you don't overpay for shipping. They're really good about that. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate you.